I'm Brittain, Managing Director of DBC2. I'll be leading an expert panel discussion at this year's AAA Expo. As part of the industry seminar series, we'll be tackling one of the big aftermarket topics: how do we keep the 21st century technician at the cutting edge? We've pulled together a group with a wealth of industry knowledge and have their own experience in workshops and training. We'll also tackle how the rapid car park change will affect the big picture in the aftermarket. To join Tom Hatch from Kmart Tyre Auto, the workshop whisperer herself, Rachael, Craig from TasTAFE and myself to hear about the real effect of the car park change, new approaches to technical training and how to recruit and nurture cutting edge technicians. If you're a workshop owner or technician, I believe this panel discussion is a must-see. Tickets are free, so jump online now at aftermarketexpo.com.au. I hope to see you there.